guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another 𝚘𝚘 video. Today I'm here with another synthetic unit. Alright guys, so I do have the 13x7 extended lace frontal wig. This is a Bobbi Boss unit, okay? So she is glueless. It says it has a human hair blend. It's naturally custom plucked. It says perfect for glueless installs. The hairline is pre-plucked, flawless, free parting, freedom. It says it has baby hairs for realism and a flex fit cap for secure comfort. So we're gonna go ahead and try her out. She looked super cute on the website, so I did go ahead and pick her up. So yeah, that's what we doing. Alright guys, so this is her. She does come secured with some paper, this little white thingy-majiggy, and of course it comes with a hairnet like such, okay? And this is the hair. I don't really like doing too much to the hair when I first get it out because I love to keep the pattern that it comes in. But these are the curls, which are so freaking beautiful. This is the front of the lace, as you guys can see. Freaking flawless and definitely laid. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. Look at that. So this is the overall construction of the inside, as you guys can see. It does have a strap is here as well. Oops, well, I just pulled it apart, but you guys know. So it has that. It does have a set of drawstrings in the back as well, and a comb. But throughout the unit there is a comb. It's two combs on the inside. It looks like this. So this is the overall look, and I'm super excited to put it on. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with overall at this exact moment. Okay, this is the hairline portion of it, as you guys can see. Look at this. I love Bobbi Boss's unit because like they stay coming for our next synthetic. I don't know, I just don't be knowing what they be doing, but they be coming. Like, they're coming so hard. They're making sure these laces are laid better than some of the version hair units. Look at that. I'm just gonna push all this back so you guys can just see the hairline. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna personally go in and alright guys, since my fans in the back were so loud, I'm gonna do a voiceover. So I am gonna go ahead and start off by detangling the hair. I am using a wide tooth comb. I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up to the root. I just had to take another moment to appreciate this goodness, this laid hairline. Look how flawless that is. Bobbi Boss, yes. Next, I'm going in with the eyebrow razor just to cut off the excess of the lace. If you guys are new to the eyebrow razor game, y'all, this will change your life. I'm telling you, it will make your lace game, whatever you want to say, it will make it look well blended, well laid, and very, very natural. Okay, so for this portion, I do go ahead and create a part just so I can cut a line around the ear tab. You could not do this with the eyebrow razor. You might cut yourself. I just would prefer you just get a pair of scissors, shears, whatever you have to just, you know, make a part around your ear and cut. It'll be clean and precise. Next, I'm going with the 𝚘𝚘 glue spray. I'm going to go ahead and secure my unit all the way around. Like I said, this wig can be worn glueless, so this step is optional. You don't have to do it. You can just use the drawstring in the back that they have provided. For me, that was not tight enough. I pulled it at tight as it can go. I just still needed still felt like I needed more security, so I just used my hairspray. Those of you who are new to the hairspray, got2b glue free spray. This is not glue, it's just a strong holding hairspray. Also, do be mindful, you guys see me applying it on top of the lace after it is pulled down. Just do be mindful if you do put a lot, because I do this all the time. You can get some white flakiness and crustiness across your hairline, so have a makeup remover wipe on handy just to wipe away that. Next, I'm going in and pull back out those baby hairs that they have provided us. I'm going to go ahead and prep for my baby hair. I have to part my hair, okay? If I don't part my hair, my baby hair is going to come out a little weird. So I just use the part as a guideline just to see where to start them from. Sometimes I just remove the part after it. And then that like brown section you guys see in the back is my wig cap. My wig caps, I don't even know why I wear wig caps because they slide all the way back. So I should have worn my dark brown one, but I wore like I think I wore the blonde. I don't know which color I wore, but it just showed, you know, you guys can see that. Hopefully I blend that out a little bit better with my concealer. But now I'm just going to go ahead and create baby hairs, pulling out some hair around the perimeter. As you guys can see, since I sprayed that got2b glue right on the perimeter of my hair, you guys can see some crustiness. There's a little hardness and whiteness up in there. I do go ahead and remove it with a makeup wipe. But now I'm just cutting at an angle to create my baby hairs. This will help your baby hairs, you know, swoop a little bit more easier. And I'm just going to go in with my hot comb just to be a little extra. Like you guys see, this lace is already laid, so you technically don't need to do that. But like I said, I'm being extra, okay? You can put heat to this as well. But with baby hairs, if you guys are new with baby hairs, please start off longer. As you guys can see, I did go back in and come a little bit shorter, but do not start off cutting short baby hairs because there is no comeback from that. So start off with them longer, and if you don't like them, just comb them back out and then, you know, cut them to your liking. But like I said, literally all I do is swoop. But I'm gonna let you guys watch because I've been talking enough. And I'm just using my got2b glue free spray for this portion. So I just spray it on the edge brush and swoop. Now that they are complete, we're going to put our head wrap on, and we're going to go ahead and tie it as tight as we can. Add some hot heat for about, 5 minutes and let it sit for a total of 10. Now we're going to pull this this bad baby off, okay? We're going to take it off to see how it is looking, and a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look at that, okay? Now we got to get the part back because I'm looking like a little egghead, but do y'all not see that this unit was not plucked by me? This was all Bobbi Boss is doing. You have to have a good plucked unit in order to get that, like, realistic vibe. But I need to fix this part because, y'all, me seeing that wig cap and the discoloration is like cringing. It's making me cringe. Okay. Now, I know the lace is a little darker than the concealer that I'm putting on. That's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's just okay. I like my parts to pop anyway. But I'm just using a hot comb once more just to make everything crisp and clean and nice and laid. Y'all see this. This is beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this get ready, I guess you could say install with me, whatever you want to call it. But overall, y'all, I really enjoyed working with Miss Alivia. Okay, Miss Alivia didn't come to play. So I'm gonna start off with the cons first, because there is some cons, or probably not even cons, but just things that you guys should be aware of when purchasing this unit. I noticed that this unit tangles up on me, up and down here in this area. This hair comes midway to my belly. I'm 5'4½", so it is a lot of bit long. It's a lot of bit long, sis. Yeah, it's a little bit long in length, so it did keep tangling down here in this area. Right now you can see I can run my hands through it, but every now and then you will receive tangles here and there, and that's just what it is. If you guys are familiar with synthetic units, you guys should be used to this and you know how it goes. But I always try to speak as if, you know, you guys are new to the game, or there is new people who are watching me. I mean, Miss Alivia, like I said, she did shed just a little bit more than I'm used to. It's not like it's, you know, falling out dramatically, you know, strands all over the place, but she will shed on you a little bit more. So yeah, the lace, however, was freaking laid. I always love how Bobbi Boss constructs their lace. It's very, very realistic. It's very flat, and it just looks a freaking amazing. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can come for me, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Okay, I love that this unit is not shiny. No one likes a shiny unit. I mean, it's a little bit shiny. It's got its own natural shine, but it's not overpowering to the point where somebody's gonna be like, okay, that is straight up horsehair, my dude. Like, nobody can tell me it's horsehair or whatever, you know, they'll try to say, because they look shiny, like those plastic Halloween wigs. You know, it don't have that vibe at all. You literally can get away with this being your own hair. Okay, only when it starts tangling, somebody gonna know, like, because our hair don't be tangling like that. But otherwise than that, y'all, this unit is so popping. I love everything about it. The only two cons, y'all, well, it wasn't cons, but just things to be aware of: it will shed on you, and it will tangle here and there. But Miss Alivia did not come to play. Like I said, as you brush it, the curl pattern will loosen, so it will get looser over time. I know you can put heat to it. Y'all seen me put my hot comb on it, but you can, you know, add more heat, put curls in it. You can pretty much do what you want. I would say these units, y'all, if y'all familiar with synthetic, you know that synthetic units aren't everyday wear. You can wear it every day, but to extend the longevity of the unit, I wouldn't say wear it every day. Don't sleep in it, because since you can't sleep in it, you're gonna tear it up. It's gonna tangle, it's gonna be matted. Although some people do, I just wouldn't suggest it. Just me and my personal opinion. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. All the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. So yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.